talking about the newest movie from Marlon Wayans, A Haunted House 2. Take a look.
I'm so happy we moved in.
Yeah, me too. You know I love you and those kids, right?
Oh no, he's playing with his imaginary friend again.
What's doing there, buddy? Wanna help me load some boxes?
Tony says, oh, hell no. I ain't your slave.
Is it me or does his imaginary friend sound black?
We're so happy to have Marlon Wayans back with us. Listen, he had a great night last night.
Oh,
in fact, it was so good last night that he's just like waking up.
Please. I'm trying to get
Listen,
some shut
I want you to just lie down on the couch.
I'm talking. Go for it. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, girl?
What you gonna do?
Hey, brother. What's poppin', man? If you get any buffer, that suit is not gonna fit you. Like, that is just.
He's got some good shoulders, doesn't he?
He's buff.
Yes.
Like he just retired from football yesterday. And he just had his retirement speech.
So look, now why is it every time you come on, man, you just rip on everybody, man?
Because
That's a comedian.
that's what I do. That's how I make my money. Why you always telling the news? Why you always telling everybody business what happened in New York? Why you always telling, oh, there's a rat in the city. Oh, I'm scared. Why you gotta tell people business?
All right, so we're gonna talk about this movie. It looks great. It's a sequel. So in the first movie, you have it. Okay, first movie it was a woman, your girlfriend, or the ex that got possessed.
Yeah.
In the new one, what's the story?
Well, I left the possessed girl.
And now you have
She's possessed.
a wife.
Because she's possessed. You know, it's one thing for y'all to be like a little, once a month, y'all get a little crazy. I understand. You know, I get down, you preggo, and you know, you got all kind of hormones and everything. I'll deal with it. But, you know, she was trying to kill me. So,
They always are, right?
yeah, when they try to kill you, it's
Time to go.
almost time. You got to do it one last time. You got to have the makeup sex. And then you go.
Just one last time you
Just
gotta
one
do it.
last time, you got to, and then it winds up being like a year later. And you're like, I was trying to leave a year ago. So basically, he gets a new girlfriend, and
it's Jamie Presley.
Jamie Presley, who's beautiful,
And she's great casting, by the way.
and she's really funny. Like she's
Her comedic timing is awesome.
yeah, she's like like Lucille Ballish in her
Yeah.
delivery. I could take these glasses. I feel like Sean with my glasses.
Can I wear them? Those are hot.
Go for it. When you wear them, you gotta do that stuff.
What do I gotta do?
You gotta give them one time. When you put them on, you gotta hit one.
I can't do that. I can't do that.
She'll get emails, man.
Oh, all right, then I could. I'll get the emails for you.
We can't.
Those are big as hell. They look like, oh man, they look like car windows. Like you press a button and they just come out.
bamboo earrings, and then I'm rocking it.
They did
If
that.
you look old school,
I like your swag. I like your swag.
your swag.
What? I put it all together. Hit it one time. Hit the wrist, shoulder, bling off, bang. Shoulder, bang.
Very nice.
Bang. Just bang. All right, so he left her.
Okay.
And so we got Jamie Presley, who's his new girlfriend, and yeah, she has two kids. Ashley Rickards played one of them. She has a teenage daughter and a little son, and they move into a new house. So Malcolm thinks everything is cool, but then the daughter has a possessed box. The son has an imaginary friend. His crazy ex-girlfriend moved next door, and there's this little doll that's haunting him.
This sounds like a plot. This is gonna be a good movie.
It's hilarious. I just screened it last night. That's why I'm hurting.
I know.
Yeah, I had a screening at the Crosby Hotel, and then after
And you
that,
never left the Crosby?
well, my spirit never left. And then after that, I went to eat at one of my favorite restaurants in the city, The General. And then we went to party in Finale, which is my favorite club. So it problems. I got no more voice. I feel like I was going, hot one, hot two, hot three.
Before you go,
Why you look like you were going to attack somebody?
I'm just telling you, there are some employees here that are trying to get a job. They want a job in the third,
Audition for
in the
Scream.
sequel.
Y'all talking to the wrong brother.
But they want to audition their screams for you.
Okay.
So we're gonna play some screams. We want to get your take on the scream.
Which
Okay,
one you like?
I'll
What
look
do you
at
like?
the song and I'll play the
Play it.
actor.
All right, let's roll it.
That's Mike.
That first one was weak.
Okay,
Weak?
roll
All
the
right.
next one.
Okay.
Roll the next one.
Sorry, Mike.
Keep going.
That was scary.
Cute. That was cute. That was a cute girl, too.
Like that was cute. Like you.
That's a cute girl.
Yeah, I
Okay.
want to hear that.
All right, here's Bobby. Hold on, you gotta watch Bobby here.
Oh.
Oh.
That's like, oh,
Boo!
here's,
Boo!
here's Julie.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
That's
great.
blood
That's a high
curling,
note
right?
right there.
That's high.
You don't want to have that in your bed. You wake your neighbors with that one. I just don't get the prologue. What happened?
The prologue, he's like,
oh no, I know what he's getting. Wait, oh, is that a ghost?
you made it here and you didn't cancel because you're a professional.
I never cancel. You know,
I know
come
you are a
hell, high
professional.
water, I'm going to be here, girl.
That's why I love it.
And before we go, I want to say, check out my digital website right now.
Okay.
It's called whatthefunny.com. It's really funny. We got some digital comedy web series on there. Whatthefunny.com is free. If you're at work, and I know you ain't working, go check it out. Follow me on Twitter at Marlon Wayans, and make sure Friday, April 18th, you go see Haunted House.
And
that
stick
is
around.
Easter weekend. Also 420 weekend for some of you, but go check it out, and I'm gonna be around. I think they might kick me off.
No,
You're staying.
Oh, I'm staying here. I'll be here all day. Well,
All right.
y'all keep it down over there. Do me a favor, news.
back,
Not too loud, okay? Tell the babies I said.
The Kia Optima LX, starting at $22,300, has more horsepower than the Honda Accord LX and gives you way more bang for your
Casino. Come play, dine, and unwind at Resorts World Casino, New York City. We're minutes away.
All right, we're checking out some videos this morning. We've got a special guest. So happy to have Marlon Wayans still in the
Oh
house.
my God, it's fantastic. So we have Dan, we have Andy, and Marlon.
I'm really asleep.
Look at Dan. He's put on the glasses too.
I just figured it was that kind of tabletop.
They don't look at
I know. I don't have much style. Thank you for calling me.
that Easter tie you got on. You know, you a little early. I know some jelly beans is going again. I'm just saying.
Andy, what do you got? You got a little video we got to watch.
Who's got there?
I thought I was going to get to decide. I thought I was going to decide who had the glasses better looking with the glasses. But instead, I'm going to tell you about Kevin Hart, okay? So, Kevin Hart, he can kind of do everything, right? He's a comedian. He's a very talented dude. Yeah, you could agree with this. Are you into this? Are you feeling it? Okay, so can't sing, like, at all. Okay. Take a look at this right here.
Do me a favor, tune the volume down all the way right now.
That was just like Mariah.
Get ready for songs like Romantic Hepatitis, see yourself out of my life. Sorry I called you the wrong name. Adult Braces Girl. I didn't know you were sleeping.
Am I too close here, guys? Hey, Gary!
Who's Gary? Gary, go out there.
Gary!
Gary?
Here?
Hey, Gary! Gary!
So what's this from, Andy?
Yeah, I don't understand. What is this from?
I don't know what note. That note does not exist on the piano.
This is from his album. It's called Heartbeats, right?
Yeah, it's on
It's a joke, college humor, right?
It's college humor. I like No Brace Girl or Braces Girl. That's my favorite right
It
there.
sounded like
So.
somebody kicked him in the groin as hard as they could. Like he was auditioning for the Scream thing just now.
Well, he can't rap either. Have you seen him on that other, what's that?
Oh, you don't want none of this. I be telling Kev, if you want, anytime you're Kev, I'm calling you out right now. Anytime you want to do this rap battle, Chocolate Chopper and me, you know my name, AKA, that's all it is, AKA. You let me know we can get this popping on PIX, because that's where we
do it, a
on
battle.
this couch.
You would
We may have sex, because I'm just wow. It's morning time. You don't want none of this, because man, that's crazy rhyme.
So you want like
Very nice.
Peter Cottontail? You got something?
Oh man, you don't want none, Peter. Shut up before I call Peter. What you did to Peter Cottontail in that time? Don't ask him why. Take it off, take it off. I'm in here and I'm rhyming like 4 mics on the sauce. You want to get with me with this girl? You put us together and we make swirl. Yeah, Waterhouse 2 in that face, April 18th.
That's right.
Be in that place. And I'm out. Give me my glasses, girl.
Right there.
Give me that
And
glass.
we're out. You know what? Suki, I feel like you need to get in on this right here. Can
I've
you,
been in on
like
it.
a
I
backup
love it.
dancer or
Let me
something?
tell you
Corey?
something.
Yeah, she gave me the beatbox. Y'all, you missing out.
We'll be right back.
Took place.
We have continued.
It's found. April 18th.
That's right.
Be in that place, and I'm out.